Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm an interior designer, decorator, and DIYer who wants to help you make your home your favorite place on this world. So please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss future decorating and DIY ideas. Okay, on today's video, I'm gonna give you some ideas on how to decorate your coffee table for summer. I have 5 elements that I always use on my decorating for my coffee table, and I'm gonna tell you why I love those 5 elements. So if you wanna see these ideas for coffee table decorating on a small budget, please keep watching. Before I show you guys the 2 styles how I'm gonna decorate my coffee table, I wanna talk to you about the things that I love to decorate with. These are 5 staples of my coffee table decorating for a great display. One of them is books. I love to use all kinds of coffee table books, and we have an extensive collection here in the house to create variations on the heights when you put items on top of them. So that's my number 1. Number 2 would be blue and white. I will not decorate a coffee table unless I have a touch of blue and white, because I really do think that at least in my house it really creates a more cohesive look. So that's number 2. Number 3, it's scented candles. I absolutely love a scented candle because, like I told in a previous video, a candle is like a perfume to your home, and it really creates memories. If you have a candle burning when guests come and go, and they will remember the beautiful scent of your home. So number 4 is flowers. Fresh flowers are absolutely beautiful on a display like the one we're gonna put together today. So that's number 4. And then of course number 5 would be a tray. I would not put up this display together without a tray, but I'm gonna show you one with a tray and one without, using all of the same elements. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start with this beautiful wicker tray that I found at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And I'm gonna put that down right here, and I'm gonna create some variations of heights with these books. Like I told you, coffee table books are necessary for creating displays like this. So what I'm going to do is just layer them like this, 2 up, 1 down. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a beautiful plate right here on top of this book to create a little bit of interest. I have this beautiful blue and white plate, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down right here. And then I have a smaller one that I'm gonna go ahead and put down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this magnifying glass for a little bit of interest and a little more travel look. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add these flowers, or this flower right here, and it just adds that little pop of color that I love. And then on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and add a candle that we're gonna light. And to add a little bit more of interest, I'm gonna add some of my collection of pill boxes right here for a little bit of texture. So that leaves me with some room right here for my remotes, and I really think that this is really pretty, and it adds a little bit of interest and a little bit of character to my coffee table. Let me get ready for idea number 2, and I think you will really like that one. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and share with a friend. Let them know about Ramon at Home so they can join our YouTube family. All right, let's go back to the video. All right, you guys, this idea is a little bit more simple, but I think a little bit more striking as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab my stack of books right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and place them right here on my coffee table. And what I'm gonna create is a little display on top of these books. As I mentioned before, flowers is one of my favorite items to add to my displays because it just adds that really beautiful pop of color and smell. They just smell so beautiful. So I'm gonna do is add a pop of color with the flowers, and I'm gonna add this white bird to kind of break down the blue and the white and the flowers with that little bit of interest. And then on this other side right here, I'm gonna add some of these luminara candles. I have a collection of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this bowl of luminara candles. They're the ones that you can just turn on with a remote and turn them off. And if you guys don't have any of this, I really recommend, I'm gonna link them up down below so you can see them. And then what I'm gonna do is I have this monogram letter that I've used on my, I don't know if you guys remember during Christmas, I used it on my lantern display. So what I do is I like to put this down right here so people know our last name, like so. And actually you can readjust. And if you don't have fresh flowers like I do in my garden, what you can do is just make a beautiful silk bouquet of flowers like these hydrangeas that I have right here. And it just creates a little bit of character on your coffee table display. It keeps it neutral and it keeps it really, really interesting for your guests to look at while they're visiting. So all you need is, keep in mind, some books, some flowers, whether fresh or silk, some candles, some blue and white, and a little bit of more interest like these letter, bigger items that really show and make a statement. Thumbs up if you guys like these ideas as much as I did. Alright you guys, well that's all I have for today. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the 5 elements is your favorite and the most likely you will incorporate on your coffee table design. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. Let them know about Ramon at Home so they can come and join our YouTube family. Also, if you haven't seen the video where I show you how to decorate like the Pottery Barn style on a small budget, I'm gonna link it up right now, or you can watch more videos right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.